What's going on, family? Black Finna checking in. You know I like networking with my local people. We got C's in here. Check this out. Told you I'm gonna work for my guard. Check this out. He got everything you need in here if you're trying to grow something on yourself, like some good seeds, the good kind. They got the seeds going for $1. I'm in networking, man. They got furniture, mattresses. I like coming to places like this and spend money because they know everybody. And that's the first thing he said when he seen my weld on the truck. You a welder? That's what you do? I said, yeah, man, I ride around and weld, fix what. He said, man, I be knowing a lot of people. I said, well, I'm gonna spend some money with you, man. Maybe I can give you a card or something and we can start networking. He said, oh, most definitely, man. I like to have good people on my corner. So I spent a little money with him just now. Got more networking. See, that's what I'm saying. It takes money to make money, man. So don't think you're going to do it and you're not going to spend some, because you're going to spend something. You're going to spend something. So the goal is make sure you spend the right thing. You know what I mean? So while you spending your money, make sure just be cautious, man, and really know what's going on. That way you can make some money. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's a lot out here. Like, it's a lot out here to network with people, man. But we got to be willing to be open with people to network with them, you know? Because you never know what you find or who's willing to network with you or what type of hustle or piece of equipment or something that you can buy that's like save a deal on if you network with them. Like, literally. Like, you never know, man. So I don't knock that. I love networking. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. I'm out here now, like I say, meeting people, and it was cool. Like I said, this guy's a cool guy. He got a nice little shop up here, and they doing their thing, man. I like it. You got to start from somewhere. Money gonna come in. And he said the plants and the seeds and stuff like that's been keeping them going. He said it's been kind of slow since this pandemic. He's like, man. He said, man, it's been bad since the pandemic, boy. I tell you what, boy, we've been hardly eating. I said, damn. I said, yeah, it's been rough. So, everybody got something going on. I'm gonna check out some of these. Check this out. The greenhouse in here. You come in here, I already buy you something started to get your garden started. I like that because I'm about to start me a garden. Y'all probably think I'm on some BS. I'm gonna do it for real, man. My grandfather had one, and he had all the essential stuff out there that we needed to eat. Everything essential. And we used to have stuff that we give away if we had a little extra, you know what I mean? He didn't try to sell it, just give it to the neighbors that, might need something. So like I said, man, I'm just out here networking, man, at the mom and pop shop. Y'all be blessed. Hold on.